When using your turntable plates, you need to lay surface pieces on them. The two types of surface pieces we include in the pack, these are just the essentials. Any kind of lightweight surface pieces you may have, any color, any texture, you can actually place them on the turntable and use them in your videos. This white matte surface piece is actually slightly translucent. So once you place it on the top plate, you can place lights underneath the turntable and illuminate it from below. This will create beautiful lighting effects. And you can actually use both sides of the surface piece. And for the black glossy surface, since such surfaces are very prone to scratches and dust, by keeping the protective film on it till the last minute will extend its lifespan. When the scratches build up on one side, then you can switch to the other side and remove the protective film then. When you're using the glossy surface piece, to reduce the dust buildup, you can use anti-static sprays. You can also get these plexi sheets in any color or texture from any local supplier.